Hey, our friends, here we're gonna draw a T-Rex.
Yeah, we're gonna draw a T-Rex ready for fall. We hope you're gonna follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Are you gonna be able to draw with your injury?
Yeah.
Okay, good luck. Let's start with his eye. We're gonna draw it in the middle of our paper, but towards the top. And I'm gonna draw it about this big. And then we're gonna draw a smaller circle on the top. And we can color in that big circle, but leave the little circle white. Then we're gonna draw the top of his eye, a curve going over. And we're also gonna draw his nose. We're gonna leave a little space from his eyebrow, and then we're gonna draw it coming out to the side, and then we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna curve around. It looks like the letter C. And then down here at the bottom, let's keep going for his jaw, and then we'll curve up after his eye. Yeah, you're doing awesome. Now we can draw his mouth. I'm gonna draw it coming up, and then we're gonna draw it coming down, and we're gonna turn it into a smile. And then we could draw a little cheek line. Oh, and let's also draw sharp teeth. So I'm drawing 3 letter V's. Now we can draw the top of his head. We're gonna start here on his nose, and we're gonna curve around, and then we're gonna connect into his jaw. And we could also make it look more 3D by adding another curve here to match his eye, or the eyebrow that goes over his eye. There's his head. Oh, let's also add nostrils. Perfect. Now we're ready to draw his body and also his autumn or fall clothes. So I'm drawing 2 lines down. This one in front is shorter, but we want to come down so that they match. This is his scarf. Let's also draw the part of his scarf that's hanging down. I'm going to draw a longer line. And then we're going to draw coming over and then back up. And then at the very bottom, we can draw a line across, and then also lines going down. Okay, let's connect the scarf that's going around his neck. So we'll go there, and then we'll imagine it going behind, and then connecting to the other side. Perfect. Now let's draw a sweater. We're going to start right here under his scarf, and we're going to draw a curve coming down just past his scarf. And then we can also draw the back of his sweater coming down. Now let's draw the bottom of the sweater connecting, and we can also add another line to match. Now let's draw his little T-Rex arms in his sweater. We're gonna draw an upside down U, but I'm gonna draw it diagonal so it's tipping to the right. And then let's connect the bottom of that letter U. We could also add another line for detail. And then let's draw his little claws. I'm going to draw one curve coming down, then another curve right next to it, matching. And then we're going to make these sharp claws. We're going to connect into a sweater. Yeah. Now let's give him a drink, maybe hot cider or hot chocolate.
Oh, yes.
My favorite. We're going to draw 2 lines, and they're kind of coming closer together at the bottom. This is the cup. And then we're going to connect the bottom and connect the top. And then let's give it a little cardboard wrapper so that he doesn't burn his claws. And then let's draw 2 lines over here to connect. This is for his sweater, his arm. Oh, and then 2 bumps over here for his claws hanging on to it. Oh, and then we could also do a little S for the steam coming off of the hot chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Now I need some hot chocolate. Now we're ready to draw his legs. Let's draw a short line here and a long line at the back of his sweater. And then we're going to draw his foot curving forward, down, and it lines up with the back line. And then we can connect those together. Now let's draw his claws on his feet. We'll draw a line in the middle, And then we'll draw a bump going to the line, and then another bump coming down. Okay, let's repeat all of those same steps for his other foot. We're going to draw it closer to the left side. So a short line for the front, long line for the back, and then a curve for the top of his foot and the front of his toes, and then connect the bottom, and then his claws, one in the middle, and then a bump, and another bump. What's he missing?
His tail.
Yeah, let's draw it. Let's draw the bottom of his tail connecting to his leg. Then we're going to imagine it going behind the leg and curving up and maybe stop there. And then we can start here for a point and curve back into his body. We did it! We finished drawing our T-Rex, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video at the end if you want to match our same coloring. Or you could also color your drawings any way you want. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
We did it! Awesome! We finished drawing and coloring our T-Rex, our fall T-Rex, and I love yours so much.
Thank you.
You can pause the video to match our same color. You can also add more things to your drawing, like we added a friendly little pumpkin.
Yeah, and some leaves.
Yeah, you could add more leaves. You could also draw trees in the background, or maybe more dinosaurs dressed for fall.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a fall T-Rex with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings look a little different. They don't look exactly the same. That's okay, because the most important thing is,
Have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.